Evening, good afternoon. Chana ko watching ng Gleba Chili. Abo ka afternoon ni watching ng Gleba Chili.
Me too.
What
Forgot.
chat, huh?
I forgot.
Uh,
After
Good afternoon. Welcome back to Chaka Gleba Chili. As you all know, I'm Jacqueline Ikang of Court. What you can want Glamera? Abo, go ahead.
Nining Jotua actually Anning Alice Okot Manwa tie another session to a me Chaka Leb actually I believe I don't know how we're gonna do it but kakon minute so we can learn from there. So
uh,
yeah.
Wapo, I me joining one Teen Wednesday, August 27. Duemi Aboro. It's Wednesday. Lakin, we expected to have guests to our cousin to our Okwera, Gi a Uganda. Lakin, we can tamone, internet connectivity, me, Uganda, especially Buyale, is not so stable. So he's having some difficulties. Kenya. So now this is expected. We have to improvise now, and the show must go on because Wamiro ni wakipun engage ni look more again about gang toa jo toa community toa lep toa culture toa or tekwa. Um, so since Okwera is not joining us, we're going to keep this short. Wanwati America living abroad Benetech Munu probably one of the points Mawatwara discuss. Kumchani ko will in the future kidma chuligi struggle career abroad. Manu kumchani one gila mera boy when wati leja one wati dog teach as you can probably see in background para but the episode mugumi arin a boy in the background para but man wati lugimolo lungani lunch break ano man wa mira ni wa host guest tour a lunch hour to a lunch break tour. Lakini it didn't happen. Lakini wa wani the show must go on. We have been one look report what he break man knock dangani. We're not gonna take a long time. Mm? And this also chirogi kiro look mawa biruka wajaningo. One mawati abroad where we lobo ma part ma pe wape ganga choli ne. One min lotini guinea parents polotini guinea gi pegi cha mi bero gang glotini tuki mi ponyo gen gamo mi achuli pole lo tini kono gi chere gang kwan mo no gi chere teach ka gi dit gi chere ka wer gi wo tuki gi chere ka mo en pole kama gi chere yene bene lo logo le ba chul ko lo logo le mono nyo le ma papat kini ne different parts mi lobo. So one model parents mama tea in charge me raise again me point again laptop culture 20 what pega what do you dog teach mira what the bill tea huh o kuma miro chol what do you dog teach munu gi ma miro team and kawa o gang gana mi lo lara no no pin wo o tino i lara ngo tero i tero i kero chami wi meja mi chamo dinner kono lo lungni ngangla bacholi gi kenyu wular kono cleaning loko jomo timo laundry ha ki kerol tini kanino ino ngo cha bene ko mi punyo lo tini wala engage lo tini nina ma ti tie e to erako ka dan wengo chira nini clean itere timo laundry ga wengo ngetimo iwe mo manok ki tuwer i biro piny koni mara na chai go coffee koni tuwer ne show ne moko na chiel ki tuwer nyo ilogi family members pero go chim lakin cha munu dong mi ponyo lo tini engage lo tini ma pol tuwer ko mi bulok manok nungu tia chiom bul kono tia cleaning bul kono tia timo ma yod go tieno the only time ma wati kire weekend cha bid ke munu karma ki tie gi fursa ne me ki tiyo ko jomo ko mene tiyo gi la cheng chabit ki Saturday and Sunday uh, gi tiyo gi pe gi cha ben mi bero ganglo tin yo tero tin kamo o regi spend time mi show uh, support or even to introduce the idea of speaking lep to lo tini pol kan gi go kom gi ken ge no min gi teach won gi teach so gi bero en gi mo lo ni YouTube en it wa ben wa kere YouTube lo tini gak the YouTube game YouTube nyol wer gi li wot tugini e kara mo ka bene parents te gam gi lo pol ko gi bere bene room tugi lo tini chere room tugi parents chere room tugi ka daro bino bene lo tini gaka room. I remember a long time ago my mom taught tia life meanwhile passed a long time ago 2002 lakin when I grow up any Poland main US kan gina lugman mani kono ichira kane kono ichiru doke kono ngongoni pe lo yerin gi leb mo ken pola joli mare i bere pole dana bere living room kanena TV na nyika chiel ken any living room kuja so you force me nana parents bere nana wangi daddy to one nana no tikina daddy to no ti dining table ka table ga per mo mom to no ka ana atina nyane tero cleaning ngongo awo gi bere living room kenyu until it you know matter this is why we were able to speak actually at least actually more done like in these days 2025 cha pe lo tini no giti engaged a culture mapat munu ge mamira wa think about you lo ping lo tini ti lose lap to give a culture to because one parents what busy mira what you bill joma gang tamni what gi chena ma po chena ne pe ga kan wen mira chola so dero ero gi stress ero ne ki ogang mamira dung I look leba chuli koni make sure il tia lo leba chuli enforce leba chuli bolotini to ko ni de ga tama dwom bil ti we you know and you know when want me to explore the family members to matiga pinya bero ni look man mi cholo bill stress pero dana ni merangyo merati lakin eni bene do ko pat o mera do ko dwom en chene mi tio kuma do ko ngala gi ya bene ngi tama ko like lo tini mena need ga mo lakin bill ti munu ko to meran ala ko bara bok chane knock boy any comments what do you think you know look any mani one cha when mira waga ti lo tini no kage pe gan ko ni dog ti giga ken gi wala gi tu gi lo tini mo mi culture ma pat nyo lo tini bi lo ma gi ti yene so cha mi engage gi culture glep to apere what do you think what do you want to say
Kid ma ini wajani wa lawani lobo full rock. Dana when you take a different culture, it was actually ni take a win from look. Teach me America take a kwanyo cha twango kawa ogan kid me wajani cha na no chero. Lakin lo tini no kid me kelo gain me lo leva choli is very hard. And many times, in any one way, pretty well, money. It's not easy. Bolo tini mi better pay me nana wang mingi kiri tu ama yang waneno ikare tu achani. Meru kero in ping log mo be ma be ni wajo. Ki wajo logi tuanya dog meru ni dog woru o do. Lakin nong ikal siya tu man eni man mawa tiye yedong man mawa dena ki bot lorok ni. Lo tini tie ge money bene mamero gi win poni wa blame ne ko ma ke ken ko lakin lo tini culture ma non gi adapt lo money tie mani kamero woi wi goro woi wi no 911 eroni lo tini mo ken ge ma ha tie wi one non parent komberi one wa bere kluoro ana bere ni bere kluoro kin mi poni latin peri ron kila peri nyo kimi discipline latin kala tino timo gi mo wan lo tenga wan yang ite mata ta ano no ringo lo what ira chose parne lo jemu o digo mam chera odo ngiti ka no li wo no achela ria wa chera tuwa we di chen jui wo tieno awinyo no ka mam bunga dwan mo ni tielo boyo ka nena wa wuchi no to o do Eruni itimo ko i America. Eritimo ko overseas. Eni twere ko. Munu ber eritie ka dio wan lo nyoro. Kin mi kelo lo tin kin mi ponyo gen. Ki culture toa. Ki leb toa. Kin ma wadongo kere. Kin mi woro lo nyoro madongo. Kachal ina tena nyanga ni okay. Kel pi gwelo bino. Ini bini chunga ki man yang wan watimo ko. Igumu ki chungi ping miri mul ki chungi kelo pi imiyo. Ki a gane wangi gumu ki chungi. Lakini to akano chungi pi bongino king. Ni kelo pi. Ngano bene pe kane kwet gimo pe. Keep dong. Keep me ponyo lo tini komberi. Tek. It's really hard. Get down mere gi winyo. Mokene tie, they have respect, yes. Lakin mokene don't. Allah I do kiri. Take. It's really hard. You can't even budge. My titty came out me while you look. No more to do dog. Walk the other side, in each other the other side. Muna who better your enemy, in a house. So I feel like point back. Angelo dong more than a dong to actually out there. Me go to a dong here, we go to a dong here. Out there we love come on. Can it well and can you give me it were ideas. Make konyo lotini makani mera konyo. They need to be rescued. Can your body lotini? Can any different mentality of pong? Latin mo can 12 pick. Katino one mera chera kalang yo. That join Jomi gang. 12 chera. Ko mera ni chera timo kono mo pere kono ka chamo ya 12 chera. I erni bene. No pay kuje.
Yeah, what are you busy?
Yeah, those are the things that we are losing our children. They're losing culture. So, anatamani wapegi cha matuong. Maybe we'll talk about this more. Anaporo unwen, your tour. Yeah,
thank you, boy. That's a very important topic. Munumamiro kun wa elaborate better. Kun. Even with guests, Mogomatig experiences, Mogomagitwara share about Lotini Tugi. Beri teacher, when the man me doc teach, me the gari teacher, when it tama kola, tin para kono tie kantum chani. Kari moga pere kono ogdong 18 wala 19 potitino.
Yeah.
Tie kan. Itamo, wala itama lumpo itam gidito, ginyo doara, bia, giti ngong, gawing tie mabe. Until before inge kono abilio go chimni bin latin pero wa maka kono kanyi wala kono gimo time yo wala nga itamo wi dong to mana bodong ti ja beri gangi lo tini ngama cholo bil to what menini. I think the challenge to mamir wa meri kanye family unit dynamic mi family unit a lot mono ngoti a grow up gi parents to ani mom and dad wengi tie gang kadi gi tio ni mom and dad pull down porigiti nyom tui yala kad mom twer go dad twer like in these days even a chuli community pull down giti a keraga inoni mom go pull giti a raise lotini kenge no wona tindo ko kono kobe kamo nyochi nyol kamo nyochi nyom ngamo kamo mina no matur mi lotini tur kenge culture no la ko man wa adapt culture pamuni culture migene polorok culture to agi gaman ngo kirugani pe lok mo kono ndi divorce kono keti pe I know married this story ma amiro wajin lakina wajin ko about kina nephew para mati gang iket gi daga periko ka gi moti atime kono gi goyo daga tugi daga ringa ko ganga wonegi ganga family pere lo do daga gang bod chware lakin these days onyuru idwa option mo kene women's right manung itwera duogo itwera kwero relationship be impact eri kono tini ni kono tini culture toa ere benamira wallo about it pien now responsibility ne bon ngara chiel keken mira rungi kenyu ne wa make sure want to make sure that community tour, what better the village me support kuma kenwa. Because it will over my part relationship cat, because Guinean a culture morning relationship cat. What do I go back to dynamic area? Kind of relationship been all cat, pole, dakama take responsibility when me go lotini when I try to move on freely. Me timake can support system pe. And I have to say that I applaud lotini moro mapuri chungu matek, knowing that mingi can will a parent a chele can more raise again. Yalla ben amira gave up to one lotini moko mapuri gichungi kom lotini too. For jogi chungu kodo. And after getting young Latino too. Have no interest. So impact it could mirror the wa explore kom lotini toa. Not only what it teach, but also marriage, new kidma influence that it kom lotini toa. It kam ka tamen lotini neno pin ko ginge ko ngoti atime between mingi gingonge. Ginge maybe ben gi wajo ko gibi wajo la chin no gidi. So it that would be explored in a mokene. Man kom chane wati doctor miro wa doctor teach wati lo komuni miro wacho lo kuma miro wacho bills miro wacho ot chum ga wen will tiema. We appreciate when we join one again Saturday. Guess mere it could be somebody big, it could be one of our siblings or nieces and nephews or cousins, or anybody in the Chile community. But stay tuned. My parata. Okay, guys. Abo ay mira mira gimo.
Gimo pe maduong Mohammed at this moment. Maybe on Saturday we'll talk more about this topic. Yeah, so to figure out on what point.
Apo I won't take care.
All right.
Bye bye.
Bye.